take a walk. Right? Are you coming with me? It's sunny out here today, so I decided to take a walk around my home, rocking my Amina Jimoh Foundation shirt. Taking a walk because it's a very lovely day. Are you coming with me? It's always good to get some sun. You know that, right? Yeah, it always helpful. It always helps. So come with me. Let's do it. Right? Let's go on a cruise. I love the boat. Do you? I do. What about you? All right, come with me. Enjoying my walk. All right, let's go the other way. It was a lovely exercise, but I want to keep doing more. I love taking walks. Do you? It helps you. It's really good. If you want to lose weight, try taking walks. If you need to lose weight, contact me and I'll show you how. Okay? It's not all about jumping and doing too much at the gym. There are right ways to lose weight. Hit me up and I'll tell you more, okay? I love you. I'm on the main road, but I'm going back into my estate. Here is it. I love flowers. What about you? Do you love flowers? Look at some beautiful flower. Let's go back home. I think I've had enough and I've done enough walk for this morning. See? Let me show you the sky. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Just passing by. I'm listening to music. I love music. I love music. I love good food. I love to travel. I love a lot of good things, you know? I love to be spoiled in a good way. So, bye.